Yo, what is up guys, it's Nick back with another video, and today I have a Supreme unboxing for you guys. Now I'm pretty sure this is from Supreme week 16, which was last week, and I got a couple of unboxings for you guys. I got 2 packages to unbox today. So before we get into that, don't forget to smack that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alrighty you guys, so the first package we're going to jump into, it is the biggest package right here. Says it's 1 pound, so it's pretty big. Go ahead and cut through it all. In case you guys didn't know, in my last live cop, I did cop 2 things on the actual release date, which was Thursday the 11th at 11 o'clock in the morning, and I also got something on the Heated Sneaks restock monitor. And if you guys want to get invested in that, you guys can get a discount off and help support the channel. If you go there and check out with anything, when you go to the checkout page, enter in the promo code section, enter the code on the screen. It's in Spence, and you get 10% off. Alright guys, so let's just go ahead and open this bad boy up. We got the Supreme bag right here. Now I'm thinking about seeing if there's any of those pins. You know, there were the MLK pins. Alright, so the first package, we got the red seat line pouch. This is the small one, and I'm pretty sure I did get the big one in the black colorway, but this is the small red seat line pouch. So go ahead and put this off to the side right there, and let's see if we got any stickers. Alright, so we got chintz today. Looks like we got 1 BOGO, so go ahead and put that in the collection over there. And yeah, we do got two other stickers. Alright, so it looks like they gave me 2 of the same kind of stickers. It says, "Don't let the dream die, 1963 to 2018. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully the camera's focusing on there. And they actually did get the license granted. Says Intellectual Properties Management, Atlanta, Georgia, as executive licensor of the King Estate. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into the other package. Now this package is heavier than the other one. This one is 2 pounds, and I did cart 2 items in this bag. This was the one that I copped on the actual drop. Go ahead and open that whole thing up. There we go. Alright, put this off to the side, and once again, another Supreme bag. Now this one looks like a little beat up, but that's okay, it's just a bag. The good stuff's inside. So let's go ahead and just begin with stickers. It looks like we only got 1 BOGO again. They're chincing us at the end of the season. I've been getting 2 BOGOs almost every single unboxing. From this whole collection, you can see to the left of me, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, only 1 BOGO. Let's see if there's any more stickers in here. Nope, does not look like it, but here we go. This is the large sea line pouch in the black colorway. So just for a size reference, here's the black and red, small and big, and just compare to, let's see, where's my phone at? I'll be right back.
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, so I'm back right here. Just compared to the iPhone X, that's how big the small pouch is, and then compared to the big, we got this one will actually fit my phone inside there. The little one will not, I'm sure, but this one will probably fit more stuff, of course, because it is the bigger one. And I do have one more item in this Supreme bag, and it is the one and only Zippo. So we got the Zippo. I was really excited about this. Really cool because they've never done any Zippo like this before. It's really just a Supreme, and then the rest of the Supreme is on the back side. Now I'm not going to be opening this up because I might resell this. I don't know yet. Might just keep it for the collection. But guys, that's about it for this video. I got 3 things in total with some pretty cool stickers. Got the MLK stickers. So we got 3 items here. So that's pretty cool, guys. So if you did like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Come back for some more videos. Got more videos coming out almost every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.